Hi, this is Glenn from Digital Synergy, and today I'm going to tell you how you can get your hands on the best free funnel builder on the planet. It's way better than Clickfunnels, so stay tuned for more details. Okay, so you may have noticed that there are dozens of new funnel building software that are popping up all over the internet. Ever since ClickFunnels set the precedence for building funnels back in 2014. But there's a new kid on the block. They're GrooveFunnels, and they're definitely making waves. And just so you know, I have tried ClickFunnels, kartra, as well as many other of the competitors, but I kept finding myself canceling my subscriptions mainly because they were either too costly or they just didn't quite do everything that I needed all in one place. Another problem with most of these other funnel builders is that they are building their platforms on a very old technology language. It's actually over 10 years old, and GrooveFunnels is building it on a revolutionary new language. Okay, it's building it completely different, and on top of that, many of these other competitors claim that you can get rid of all your other software, fire your programmers, fire your designers, all this kind of stuff. But when it comes down to it, it's really not the case. But it is different with what GrooveFunnels is doing. When it comes to GrooveFunnels, they're truly revolutionizing the funnel building landscape, making them the best free funnel builder on the planet. So, what is GrooveFunnels? Or you may have heard of the term Groove Pages as well. Well, GrooveFunnels is the complete set of software applications that make it an all-in-one platform. And Groove Pages is the website builder and the funnel builder application within it. Now, GrooveFunnels' complete suite includes a website and funnel builder, a sales and affiliate platform with a marketplace, an email marketing provider, video platform much like Wistia and Vimeo, a membership site creator, a webinar platform, and more. Think ClickFunnels or kartra on steroids, but with way better technology, more affordable, and a ton more features. And GrooveFunnels was actually created by one of the pioneers of internet marketing. He was actually the second person in history to do a $1 million launch. He's also one of the creators of kartra and Webinar Jam, and those are two of the most popular softwares on the market. So he definitely knows what he's doing, and he creates good products. So I really feel that his products is really going to be outstanding. Now, and the reason I say gonna be is because they're currently in a beta phase, and they're building and improving on their complete suite of software that you're going to get with GrooveFunnels. So what exactly do you get with GrooveFunnels? So there are basically three main softwares that you can get absolutely for free, and you get them free for life. Now, Groove Pages, as I mentioned earlier, this is the funnel builder and website builder. And what's exciting about this is not only that you can create funnels for your products and services, but you can also create full-on branded websites. This is something that you can't do with any other funnel builder on the market, period. And the technology is so cutting edge that it's actually also poised to replace WordPress because it's also going to have a blog functionality to it as well. And another reason it's cutting edge is because it's drop dead simple to build pages, and because it's built its platform on an open source. So developers can create their own apps and plugins, which opens up a whole other aspect to this. Now that's a whole other topic for another video, but for now I just want to give you a high-level view of everything GrooveFunnels has to offer. Now the next thing that you get for free is GrooveSell. So what is GrooveSell? Well, if you have a digital product or ever thought about creating and selling digital products or physical products, this is for you. It's also an affiliate platform. So basically, it's your checkout process to accept payments, that you can create one-time payments, free trial, recurring payments, etc. Think Samcart, but again, better and more affordable. And right now, you can actually get both GrooveSell and Groove Pages free, as well as Groove Affiliate, which comes with it. Now, check below for the link so you can jump in on this before they take it away. Now, I do want to mention that the version of Groove Pages that you get is a light version, because you can upgrade for a pro version that you get with the full suite of GrooveFunnels. But basically, you get all the same functionality. The only limitation, I believe, is that you get up to 3 different domains. So it's 3 different businesses. You can build unlimited funnels. For most people, that's more than enough, especially if you're just starting out. So take advantage of this now before they take it away. I'm not sure how long this is going to be available, so you should definitely grab it now while it's available and while it's free. Now, when you sign up, you're also going to have the option to actually grab a lifetime access to GrooveFunnels. And this will actually get you the complete suite of applications that are currently in development and anything that they're going to come out with in the future. Now, this is an incredible deal, and I would jump in on this because it's going to save you so much money in the long run. I've already upgraded myself because I know how much I believe in this product, and the amount of money is going to save me over the years is phenomenal. Now, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please like the video and leave a comment. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos on the channel where I delve deeper into some of the other Groov apps that will be part of the suite, such as Groov Member, Groov Video, Groov Mail, Groov Webinar, just to name a few. Remember, click the link below. Take advantage of this incredible offer, as it's only going to be available for a limited time in terms of the lifetime access. So you'll only pay one time and never pay again. You'll have free access for life after the official launch when they come out of beta. So, and I believe when they do come out of beta, they're going to go into recurring billing like most others are doing, and it's either going to be like $199 or $299 per month. So go ahead, click the link below, get your free accounts, and I'll see you next time.